The technology that's driving this AI boom is moving faster than anything we've ever seen in the industrialized world.
AI factories today are so much larger, more complex, and more dynamic than data centers have been in the past.
That complexity and the speed at which the world needs to move, digital twins have become even more important.
Before the advent of digital twins, design, engineering, construction, planning, and all were done in relative silos. So there's where the digital twin and NVIDIA Omniverse provides the AI architecture and allows us to collaborate with multiple partners across the ecosystem. The DSX Blueprint gives us a great starting point and frame of reference. Lay the digital twin on top of that process, that becomes your communication tool and continuity through the life cycle of the asset. And that's why we chose NVIDIA as a partner to develop that digital twin and on the Omniverse platform. It also allows us to go from concept to tokenization in a much more rapid fashion.
Because of the complexity and the number of participants involved in designing, building, and operating an AI factory, PLM, or product lifecycle backbone, is really important. PTC's Windchill product is a core part of the DSX Omniverse Blueprint. They can publish directly in USD format into Omniverse, and then they can simulate and they can play around with different placements to the extent that they need to make changes based on that simulation. The design is proven to work efficiently before ground is ever broken.
Today, an AI factory behaves as one single computer. So there's just fundamentally a higher degree of volatility that we have to manage. We train our AI agents in a digital twin simulation of the AI factory first. One of our agents is a liquid cooling agent. This agent is very special because it actually is able to eliminate thermal spikes by predicting when these spikes occur before they actually do. By eliminating these thermal spikes, we can actually enable AI factory owners and operators to safely increase their TCS temperatures, right? Which means you significantly reduce the energy that is required for cooling these very complex systems, and you free up that power to shift over into revenue-generating IT load. Our AI agents teach themselves the optimal manner of operating that AI factory in order to maximize tokens per watt on a continual basis.
By adopting the Omniverse DSX Blueprint, we're able to provide the teams with a communication tool that cuts across the entire program and entire project.
In all phases of the life cycle, having the digital representation can really enhance how people work together.
People say a picture's worth 1,000 words. A digital twin is probably worth 1,000,000 words.